It's been a really long time since I've made a video, and honestly, life has been a lifing, okay? So that's why you have not seen me create a video. But today, I said, you know what? I'm gonna make a video. I wanna cook something. I'm doing something different. We're on a health kick. We have to make sure we eat healthy. So I decided to make for you packets. And this is what's going in my for you packet. I found out that these red potatoes that I have, each red potato has, hold on, wait, let me see again. It has, come out the bag. It has, give me 1 second. Total carbs in each one is 26 grams of carbs. So I'm doing everybody 2 potatoes, 2 red potatoes. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. I already folded one and then I was like, hey, I should record this. So I'm gonna show you as I do this second one. I chopped all the potatoes up. There's 2 potatoes each. So I'm gonna put this 2 potatoes onto the foil. So I cut up some sausage and Hillside Farm turkey sausage, and I put it on top of the potatoes. I make it 4 packets, so I cut the sausage up into 4 pieces. This is 1/4 of the sausage. Okay, so I added some peppers and onions and 5 shrimp. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of oil and I'm gonna season this. I found the Tony's no salt seasoning blend, so I'm gonna use this. Kinder citrus and garlic with jalapeno, smoked paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, oregano, and parsley. Lastly, I'm gonna top it with some minced garlic and a little butter, and then I'm gonna close it up. Then you fold it up in a little boat like this, and then you put it in the oven. I'm making 2 more of these. I made 2 so far. It's 4 people, so I'm making 2 more. Okay, so for my daughter, I just did hers with potatoes, sausage, and shrimp. With my nephew, I just did his with sausage, potatoes, peppers, and onions, you know, everything else. He don't eat shrimp, and she don't eat my peppers and onions. I wasn't wasting them, so they in the oven on 400 degrees. It's supposed to be for 30 minutes. We're gonna see, and then I'm gonna open them up and see how they come out. All right, y'all, so my folio packs been in the oven for about, I want to say 45 minutes. Ooh, that steam coming out of these. Hold on, let me open one. And this is how they came out. This is me and Babes, these 2. This is baby girls, because hers is a little bit smaller than everybody else's. And this is my nephew's. I'm gonna give it a quick little taste test real quick. Let me see. It tastes good. Yeah, this is good. And it's not salty. I was worried it was gonna be a little salty because I did use my citrus and garlic seasoning, but it tastes pretty good. Bon appetit.